How's it going, everyone? I never know how to start these videos, so I like to just jump straight into it after giving a brief explanation what the video is about. And this video is all about submixing. I'm going to show you how to use GOXLR and OBS Studio and how to create a submix. Now, what is a submix? It's basically what I hear is not what you're going to hear. In other words, the volumes is different for the viewer and the broadcaster. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Alright, so inside the GOXLR app, I am under the mixer tab, and I just quickly want to explain something. Like, if you're going to use the submixers and you want to use the sliders on your GOXLR to control certain applications volume, like say I want to control my mic, I want to lower it to say 68%. You can obviously hear I'm lower now. You will not be able to do that because you probably in your streaming software, or recording software, you probably have one track, which is the broadcast stream mix, but we're going to remove that now. So if you go to routing, you can disable all of these if you're on a single PC. And if you're on a dual PC, you're probably already using the broadcast stream mix to send audio from your gaming PC to your streaming PC to be able to set it up in your recording or streaming software of choice. In most cases, it's OBS Studio. Okay, so the only difference between I've also got a dual PC setup, and I use the console because I am using a optical cable instead of a auxiliary 3.5mm cable. Okay, so now that you've done that, this is what your routing table should look like if you're on a dual PC setup, or like this. And if you're on a single PC setup, it should like this, or like this. Okay. So, alright, now that that's done, I'm going to jump over to OBS. Okay, so now in OBS, you can see the audio mixer here. So if you don't know how to set this up and have this as separate audio tracks, please check the description below for a video on how to record with separate audio tracks using your GOXLR in OBS Studio. Okay, so I'm going to change the volume on Discord. By changing the volume on Discord in OBS Studio, it doesn't change it for me, it changes it for the viewer. Okay, so to do this, I'm just going to test, do a call test with myself. And I'm going to mute this mic. So then I'm going to change it over here. You can hear the volume going down. So that's probably way too low. So I'm going to probably, let's say, I'm going to put it at 6.5. Perfect. Okay, and I'm going to go back to this mic, and you can hear me perfectly fine. Even if I change it here, you can hear me going down as well. And this also is valid for game sound and also for music. Okay, so this is how I do my sub mixes in OBS Studio using GOXLR and OBS Studio. Hope this helps someone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.